Good morning, children. This is another EVS class. Previous class, I started EVS revision for essay 1 exam. As you know, next week we are going to conduct essay 1 exam. For that, I started giving revision. The same book you continue. I have given 5 mains in the book. Same book you continue, children. Okay. So today it is 6th main. I'll start with give reasons. Okay. So first one I wrote here. See. Birds build nests. So I'm giving one statement. You have to write the reason for it. Why birds build nests? So what is the answer I'll write now? So this only you should copy first. Birds build nests. Build nests. Now what is the reason? To lay. Lay means to give out eggs, because birds, they lay eggs, no? To lay and hatch. Now hatching means what, children? After laying the eggs, no? They will sit on it. So they, with that body's temperature and all, for that temperature, that after a few days, that from the egg, small chicks will come. So to come out the chick, that process is only called hatching. For that, temperature is needed. That's why you have seen birds, they sit on their eggs for a few days together. So with their body temperature, that from the egg, chicks will come out. That process is only called hatching. So birds build nests to lay and hatch eggs. To hatch their eggs. This is one reason. Then to protect, P-R-O-T-E-C-T, to protect the baby birds, means the chicks. Protect the baby birds. Protect the baby birds from other birds and animals. So see here, birds build a nest. So this is the statement they have given. You have to give the reason why birds build nest. Once again, to repeat, birds build nests to lay and hatch their eggs. This is one reason, to protect the baby birds from other birds and animals. Mainly for safety of their baby birds. They build nests. This is one reason. So write it down. Birds build a nest to lay and hatch their eggs to protect the baby birds from other birds and animals. Right. One more I'll give. You can pause the video also. You can write. Okay. So second one I'll write now. Only 2 I'll give, children. Time is not more. So only 2 I'll give test time. Maybe one of them I'll give. Only 2 I'm giving. So it won't be difficult for you. So number 2. The northern, N-O-R-T-H-E-R-N, northern plains, P-L-A-I-N-S, plains are fertile. Answer. Now, what is the question? Northern plains means north part of our country. There are mountains, Himalaya mountain. From there, so many rivers will flow. So that area is very fertile. Fertile means nice crop will grow. They are full greenery. Because, all the rivers, when they flow, they carry with them so many soil, so many nutrients, and they deposit both the sides. Both the river side will be very fertile, that's why. So that is a question. So what are the rivers first I mentioned? Rivers like the Ganga. Any river name before you should write the and capital letter, first letter of the name. The Ganga and the Yamuna. So these are two main river there in northern plains. Okay, Ganga and Yamuna flow, FLOW flow through Himalayas, Himalayas. They make the plains. They make the plains fertile and green. Fertile and green. Because so many crops will grow there. So that's why plains are fertile. Fertile, fertile and green. Both are important to question I gave. You should know the northern plains are fertile. Why? Rivers like the Ganga and Yamuna flow through Himalayas. They make the plains fertile and green. Because of the rivers, this area is fertile. Right. Next, I'll give question and answer. Last main, one drawing is there, children. Draw and label. Last is when I correcting this only one child I saw. I gave parts of plant, but one child, the child did drew on the leaf. That means you did read the question properly. So always read the question properly and write. Okay, I gave parts of plant, and you drew leaf. One child did that. Others they did correctly. Few children what they did know, they drew, they colored everything nicely, but they didn't label it. Means you have to show the parts. You have to write the parts of the name like roots, stem, branches. Few children they left that. Good children they left that. So you lost the marks. Few children what they did, one or two questions in between they left. So before submitting the paper, please check whether you have written all the mains or not. Parents also should check before bringing the paper. No, please check once all the questions they have written or not. So because of the relief, 1 or 2 marks will come down. Okay, don't do that. And they were sitting at home only, no. So much time is there. So do that. Read the question properly. So this much over now. That one leaf I gave, last test I gave parts of plant. This time I am giving leaf. 7th main is leaf. Draw and label. So labeling also important. Few children left that. Coloring and everything so nicely they did, but they didn't label it. So you won't get full marks then. 7th main, draw and label. Label a leaf. Possible means you color also. Draw, color. It will look nice. Draw, color. COLOUR. Label a leaf. Now, one rough drawing I'll show you. Okay, green color you should do from here. So this is the leaf. Now you should label it. So this surface, it is called the plant leaf surface. That is only called leaf blade. LEAF, leaf blade. B-L-A-D-E, blade. Then one broad line, it will go through middle of the leaf. That is only called main vein. M-A-I-N, main, V-E-I-N, vein, main vein. Then branches, small branches will be there. That is side vein. That is, the small branches will come from this. Okay, that is called side vein. S-I-D-E, side, V-E-I-N, vein. Spelling right properly, children. V-E-I-N, vein. And you have to color it green. Okay, now I'll give question answer. Write it down. I'll give question answer now. Now, last main see children, question answer. But answer I'm not giving children, you refer classwork. Notes already uploaded. Have you not written the classwork? You finish the classwork and find out the answer. So when you write in the rough revision book, question I'm giving, use give space for answer. You copy the answer and learn. Understood? So answer I'm not giving, only question I'm giving. Main few important questions I'm giving. That answer you have to find out from the classwork. Notes are already uploaded. Okay. So this is 8 main question and answer. 8 main is question answer. Okay. Question number 1. What are the 3 types of feathers? What are the 3 types of feathers? Write it down, children. First question. Birds have 3 types of feather. You know that? That is flight feather, down feather, and body feathers. So that answer you should write. For answer, you keep space, children. Next one, number 4. Question number 2. What are omnivore? And give 2 examples. 2 or 3 examples. Omnivore means which animal eat both, plant also, animal also. Like owl, fox, those are all omnivore. So question number 3, I'll write now. Write some ways by which we can save our environment. Save our environment. So as you know, every day our environment is getting polluted, like from smoke from cars and all, factory. So it is air is getting polluted. Then we dump waste and all in the land. Land is getting polluted. Then sound, noise, so many things is polluting our environment. So how to save that? So we can plant many trees, because trees are naturally it is clean. It will clean the air. Then we should not burst crackers. Then don't use plastic things. Then we should save the water. So these are some ways we can save our environment. All the answers are given in the PDF, children. You please find out, write the answer together along with the question, and you learn. Don't keep it pending. Next one, finish. Shall I wrap? Question number 4. Right now. Question number 4. What are the WHAQ? What are the functions what are the functions of the government? Of the government. government. So the function of government is to look after law and order and welfare of all the citizens of the country. See, in your home, parents will look after your all the needs. As a citizen, we are citizen of India. So our problem, our welfare, who will look after? That is government's duty. That is the question. What are the function of the government? Question number 5. What are the two kinds of government? Two kinds of governments. Our country is such a big country, so one government cannot take care of. So we have many states for that state government, and all over India on top it is central government. That is called central government. So two kinds of government are central government where prime minister, president will be there. State government, governor and chief minister. Governor and chief minister will be there. Okay. So two type of governments are central government and state government. Write the question. Next question number 6. Which is the highest peak? Mountain peak, you write. Highest mountain peak. Mountain peak in the world. Not only in India, in the world. In the world. So that is in Himalaya, Mountain Everest. Mount Everest is the highest peak in mountain, Himalaya mountain. Okay, so highest mountain peak in the world is Mount Everest. Finish, Alara. Now 7 and 8 are done now. Right now here 7 and 8. Question 7 now. What is atmosphere? What is atmosphere? What is atmosphere? So our earth is surrounded by layer of air. That is only called atmosphere. Now last I'll give question number 8. Only 8 questions I'm giving children. So you learn. Find out the answers first from your classwork. You have completed it good. Otherwise, from the PDF you find out the answer. So together you write question and answer together, then you learn. Why do plants make their own food? Make their own food. Why do plants make their own food? See, like animal and human being, they can go and search of their food. They can move from one place to another. But plants, they cannot move from one place to another. So they make their own food. They have chlorophyll. So they are able to make their own food. So what is the answer? Plants make their own food in the leaves, as they cannot move in search of food. They take in water from the soil for their needs. So for that reason, they make their own food. They cannot move from one place to another. Up to here, you write, children. Now, important part you see, children. Question answer I gave. Answer you have to, from here you see, the portion for SA1 exam. When you finish the revision, you copy this also. Portions for SA1 exam. Science portion, you see here, children. Science, 4 lessons I have completed. Science, 1, 2, 3, 4. Lesson 1, 2. You see in the textbook, index, you will understand. Science, 4 lessons. Social studies, 6 lessons. I have completed. So, from that only I will give. Revision only do, children. Learn question answer. Because I have mentioned only 8 important question. Answer I didn't give. That one you should take from classwork notes. So, first you finish your notes. Time is not there, means only that 8 answer you from PDF you copy first. Learn it. This week do that work. Okay. Then worksheet, July, August and September. Only 2 worksheets I have given. No. So, July, August and September worksheet you should learn. SA1 revision completed. Now you write last. Okay. SA1 revision completed. Like that you finish it off. Question answer you have to learn from the classwork notes. Okay. So prepare well for EVS I have given. Next English also I will give. So maintain one separate book for revision. Okay. So all the subject you write together, it will be easy for you. Thank you, children. Have a good day.